BandLab versus Moises, which music tool is better? Choosing the right music tool can completely change how you create and produce tracks without complex setups. BandLab offers an all-in-one platform, while Moises focuses on advanced audio separation and remixing. BandLab and Moises are popular music tools but serve different purposes. BandLab is a full-featured digital audio workstation with collaboration features, while Moises specializes in AI-powered stem separation and mixing assistance. The core difference lies in BandLab's all-in-one approach versus Moises' focused audio processing. BandLab is a cloud-based digital audio workstation designed for music creation, recording, and collaboration. It allows users to compose, mix, and master tracks directly in the browser or via mobile apps. BandLab's interface includes virtual instruments, a multi-track editor, and a library of loops and effects. Its cloud storage and social features enable seamless collaboration and sharing with other musicians worldwide. Strengths include its accessibility across devices, no-cost usage, and community-driven environment. However, BandLab's mixing and mastering tools, while solid, may lack the depth found in specialized software. It's ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and creators looking for an integrated platform to produce music and connect with other artists without investing in complex hardware or software. Moises is an AI-powered music tool focused on audio separation and remixing. Using advanced machine learning, it isolates vocals, drums, bass, and other stems from any song, allowing users to manipulate individual elements. Moises also offers features like tempo and pitch adjustment, chord detection, and practice modes. Its strength lies in providing producers, musicians, and DJs with precise control over stems for remixing, karaoke, or practice purposes. However, Moises is not a full digital audio workstation, so it lacks comprehensive recording or multi-track editing capabilities. It's best suited for users who need powerful stem separation and audio manipulation tools, especially for remixing existing tracks or learning parts, rather than full-scale music production from scratch. BandLab and Moises serve different roles in music creation. BandLab excels as an all-in-one DAW, with collaboration and production tools, making it perfect for creating original music and working with others online. Moises shines when you need to isolate or remix parts of existing songs, offering unmatched stem separation and audio manipulation. If you want to produce and share music from start to finish, BandLab is the better choice. But if your focus is remixing, learning, or extracting stems for creative projects, Moises provides superior AI-driven tools. The trade-off is between BandLab's broad production capabilities and Moises' specialized stem processing, so your choice depends on your workflow and goals. Choose BandLab if you want a versatile collaborative platform for full music production, recording, and mixing without needing advanced audio separation features. Opt for Moises if your priority is powerful AI stem separation and remixing tools to manipulate existing tracks effortlessly. Both tools excel in their areas, so selecting the right one depends on whether you create original music or focus on remixing and practice.